The Zulu nation is the kingdom that will bring the country together in unity. Time is ticking. I asked you guys a question. Which nation do you think will be suited to unite this country? A lot of people spoke. So many people are saying that it is the Zulu nation, and so many people are disagreeing with that because of the idea some people have that the Zulu nation is not actually fit to do this. To be quite honest, your ancestors have agreed on this. And for some of you think that this is going to be very difficult and it's going to be very easy. The thing is, me having to talk about this for it to happen, I would say that you want to stand with that. It's just going to be in a different, peaceful way. Because the one who comes after me, that person will be a tyrant. I'm telling you. And this country will be united by the Zulu nation. I'm telling you, it is nothing personal. It is nothing to say that people should actually forget about their cultures and system. But this will happen generally so. I'm telling you. The day I started to speak about this, just know that it happened before I even uttered those words. I know right now it sounds like I'm not actually serious about this, I'm playing around. No, I'm serious. I'm dragging my feet for a reason. Taking baby steps, and yet again I'm still asking people, which nation do you think is suited, or a kingdom, to lead this country? We have to talk about how we unite. We can't keep on dancing, ignoring the very important stuff. I'll tell you one thing. The South African government will end. I'm telling you. You might not believe me now. The South African government will end. According to the ancestors, it will never be fit for it to unite us. That will never happen. The only unity will happen under the Zulu nation, whether you like it or not. Even the people that hate the idea, you will grow to love it, generally so. I'm telling you. So, moving forward, we are going to decide how we are going to do this. Definitely this year, we have to come together at some point and have this conversation. When we have this conversation, we plan how we are going to actually take care of our communities in this country. It has to be unity in all ways. I know that we're going to grow ideas, but at the end of the day, this will happen. I'm telling you, I've seen it so many times. Even the people that will try to stop it, I've seen how they will end up. So I'm not worried about that at all. You can try to stop this, but you're not going to be very successful. This idea is being backed by your ancestors and kings and queens that are your grand ancestors. Even from different cultural aspect, they agree that we have to be one culture, one kingdom, if we want unity in this country. And I'm telling you, for the people that will try to even stop this, just know that more lives will be lost. Because the ancestors are trying to forge a way for people to come together. Something might happen to someone that is young, and this will make everybody go crazy. You mean to tell me that when people rise because of a sudden death that happened, it is a mistake? That's what I'm trying to avoid. The ancestors will try to forge a way for people to come together through somebody dying as a living sacrifice for that to happen. I don't want that. I want this to be done peacefully because I've got the blueprint of it, how it is done. We need to decide which kingdom is fit to unite this country. For this will happen,